Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the door type and putting on safety glasses. Once done, test the latch in its current hole to see tight points. Mark additional 3 to 6 millimeters where binding occurs. Use tape around the edge to prevent splintering and pencil a clean outline. This keeps you precise. Then clamp the door or support it so it won't move. You're ready to make small, controlled removals rather than guessing, and that prevents overcutting and weak framing. You begin enlarging by drilling out material inside the marked area using progressively larger bits to avoid splitting. Start with a small pilot and increase size. Once drilled, switch to a sharp chisel and pare out thin layers. Make slow, controlled cuts and remove only about 1/4 of the depth at a time. This preserves door integrity. Make sure to test fit the latch frequently. And when the form is close, use a rasp or file to fine-tune the edges. You place the latch in the enlarged hole and install screws just snug to check alignment. Cycle the door slowly to confirm smooth operation. If it binds, identify high spots and shave them in tiny increments, 0.5 millimeter at a time, then retest until the latch moves freely and sits flush. If the cut is too large or a crack shows, use wood glue and clamp, or apply a tight-fitting filler. Allow cure. Then sand and recut a true edge before final installation to restore strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.